Hi there, guys and gals. Good day to each every one of you. Let's have some icebreaker. I know you're gonna like this. Do you see this lady walking in front of me? The one who's wearing jacket. She's doing something on her hand. On her hand. Can you guess what she's being up to? What she's being busy with her hands? Oh gosh, you see her? You see that? Anyway, so let's check it out. Hold on, guys. So she's having some ganchillo, as what we call it. That one. See that? So instead of having a cell phone, she's doing it. Okay.